Dear students, it is our second module, module 2, marketing environment. Meaning, the marketing environment includes the internal factors, that is employees, customers, shareholders, retailers and distributors, etc. And the external factors, political, that is political, legal, social, technological, economic, and that surround the business and influence its marketing operation. So, marketing environment means the internal and external influences which affect marketing decision making and have an impact on its performance is called marketing environment. To understand the various components of marketing environment, it may be classified into mainly two categories, that is macro environment and micro environment. Macro environment means external environment and micro environment means internal environment. Macro environment again classified into political environment, legal environment, social environment, economic environment and technological environment. First one, demographic environment. That means in any international marketing environment, domestic or international demographic factors play an important role in determining target market and it also helps address consumer needs. Consumer behavior in demographics refers to statistical information about the characteristics of a population. So, demographic environment means the people with the money and with a will spend their money to satisfy their demand. Hence, management is directly interested in demography. Next one, economic environment. Economic environment refers to all those economic factors that affect commercial and consumer behavior. The economic environment consists of all the external factors in the immediate marketplace and the broader economy. These factors can influence a business, that is, how it operates and how successful it might become. Next one, natural environment. The natural environment is another important factor of the macro environment. This includes the natural resources that a company uses as inputs that affects their marketing activities. The concern in this area is the increased pollution, shortages of raw materials and increased governmental intervention also. This is natural environment. Next one is technological environment. That means that part of the firm's external environment in which changes in technology affect the firm's marketing effort. The changing technological environment may pose threats or present opportunities. Fifth one, political environment. That means the company or organization needs to consider the political environment when creating business strategies. The company organization needs to consider the political environment when creating business strategies. The entire political environment includes looking at government policies and the risk and instability of current political factors. This is political environment. Next one, legal environment. Legal environment. Legal environment includes the laws and regulations of a state. The laws and regulations will influence the way in which an organization will market or sell the product and services. The legal factors influence trade agreements between different governments and states. The legal factors influence trade agreements between different governments and states. Next one, socio-cultural environment. The term socio-cultural environment is typically used in business or marketing to describe an environment composed of values and behaviors. It includes culture, traditions, beliefs, values, caste system, and lifestyle of the people in a given society constitute the socio-cultural environment. Next one, market segmentation and consumer behavior. Meaning and definitions of market segmentation. Market market segmentation means market segmentation is a marketing term that refers to aggregating prospective buyers into groups or segments with common needs and who respond similarly to a marketing actions. Market segmentation is a marketing term that refers to aggregating prospective buyers into groups or segments with common needs and who respond similarly to a marketing actions. Next one, definition. Marketing segmentation is the process of subdividing a market into a distinct group of customers with similar needs, such that a subset of the market can be selected as target market and can be reached with a distinct market mix. This is market segmentation. Market segmentation or subdivision of the market is based upon the modern marketing concept, that is, market oriented strategy and philosophy. Segmentation gives special emphasis on the demand side of the market, and it is a more traditional and more precious adjustment of the product and marketing effort is tuned with consumer or user needs and requirements. So, market segmentation means segmentation or subdivision of the market is based upon the modern marketing concept. So, this next one, benefits of marketing segmentation. Benefits of market segmentation, that is, first one, adjustment of product and marketing appeals. First one, adjustment of product and marketing appeals. That means market segmentation presents an opportunity to understand the nature of the market. Next one, better position to spot marketing opportunities. That means the producer can make a fair estimate of the volume of his sales and the possibility of further his sales. Next one, allocation of marketing budgets. It is it is on the basis of market segmentation that the marketing budget is adjusted for a particular region or locality. In the place where the sale opportunities are limited, it is no use of allocating a huge budget there. Next one, marketing the competition effective. Next point, making the competition effective. That means it helps the producer to face the competition of his reveals effectively. The producer can adopt different policies, programs, and strategies for different markets, taking into account the revealed strategies, policies, and programs. Next one, effective marketing program. Effective marketing program means it also helps the producer to adopt an effective marketing program and serve the consumer better at comparatively low cost. Different marketing program can be attached for different segments. Next one, evaluation of marketing activities. Thus, market segmentation helps the manufacturer to find out the compare the marketing potentialities of the products. It helps to adjust production and in using his resource in the most profitable manner. As soon as the product becomes absolute, the product line could be diversified or disconnected or discontinued. These are the important benefits of market segmentation. So, market segmentation is the market concept which divides the complete market setup into smaller subsets comparing of consumers with a similar taste, demand and preferences. A market segment is a small unit within a large market comparing of like individuals. So, a market segment compare of individuals who think on the same lines and have similar interest. Thank you.